Hi everybody, it's Robin from Talks from the Heart. Listen, it is the butt crack of dawn on a Sunday morning before Cyber Monday, and I was journaling and I need to decorate some pages, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to use my Raspberyl Design journal kits that I've been hoarding because I'm going to get this video up really quick. So this is like hanging out with me on Sunday morning with coffee, and I'm just going to clear my desk as we chat. And I thought I need to go decorate some pages, and I decided to just use the kits from Raspberyl Designs that I've been hoarding, because guess what? Tonight at 7 p.m., this is my journal. It's an A6. I made this cover. It is patinaing really great. You can see this janky stitching here, but it's like an old friend. And then this is just a charm that I got from Vintage, which used to be sold at Hobby Lobby, but probably not anymore. I'm not sure what's going on with the company. I guess I could link their website, but I know that I believe they only wholesale. So I just added this to the elastic. All right, so this is an A6 Stalogy, and I just journal on the, actually there's nothing really that you can see there. I just journal on the right side because two reasons. One, it just makes me feel more comfortable. Well, three reasons. And two, when I add stickers, I only add a couple of days at a time right now. And it makes it where I don't have to worry about bumps. And also it helps me go through notebooks faster. And I have so many of them. Okay, so we're just going to really focus on my journaling kits from Raspberyl Designs. Oh yeah, I didn't finish my sentence. I'm super sorry. She's having a Cyber Monday sale that is starting tonight, 7 p.m. And it's 50% off, you guys. So I'm gonna grab some more of these journaling kits, because I'm probably gonna get these again because I love them and they're gorgeous. So let's see. You know what I'm going to do? I have a pencil board here in the front. And I think I'm going to make some Dutch doors. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to cut them. All right, so I've done this before, and it's something really fun. I try to make my journals a really fun place to be. So if it's a blank page and I'm writing, I don't stop writing, but I do then take some time quickly before, let's do this. Before I get back in the journal the next time, I try to slap some stickers down, you guys. Yeah, all right, so that's super easy. I just followed the dot grid. I think I'm going to use these butterflies. What is this called? Tiny Bloom, and it's on transparent sticker paper, which is quickly growing to be my favorite. And I'm just going to follow the grid. And then just cut this off. I was going to do a voiceover, but I think I'm just going to hang out with you guys. Ooh, pretty. And I did not plan on that being exact. I don't know if I'm going to save this or not. Okay, so let's do this one as the like main. I'm gonna have to cut this off a little bit. As the front page. I think these are called Dutch doors. I think. I don't know. All right. So let's add this second piece of washi, and I'm going to turn it the other way so it gives me a little bit of a variety. And okay, so this is an Anami Cafe I got it on there. I got it on there crooked. Okay. You know, because why would I reach for my undo? It's right in front of me. Oh my goodness. Okay. I mean, gorgeous. Okay, I think I am gonna use these. We'll just go like that. I don't want to waste any of this kit. So many sales. I will link the shops that I PR for. There's 3 of them. JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. She's just used my code for 15, but she's got some cool stuff. And then Sweet Koi Designs. I think the Black Friday sale is over, but there's a code where you can save. And then Pookie Bear Cuties is currently running 40% off. So that's also a good deal. All right. So, and then if you missed the Cyber Monday sale with Raspberyl Designs, this shop right here, I do have a code for her, which will be listed. And, I'm going to say you go to her website. It starts at 7 p.m. Central Time. I don't know if there's a code, but just check out her shop. Boy, that looks really complete. And I've already tore this off. So let's do it down here. So gorgeous. All right, so I'm just going to continue. And then what I do is I cut the days of the week off. And then I just peel them up. Because I don't journal like this, like free journaling, like just thoughts and things. It's weird. I haven't been doing this every day. So, let's see. Yeah, I just tuck it in here. I don't know what's going on. If you had told me that I was going to be not journaling every day, I would have said, oh, no way. But I think what's happening is, I'm getting busier with other things. And I was really, I'm gonna be straight with you. When my husband died suddenly, I was in June of 2018. I just became extremely attached. I was attached. I'm gonna put these up here beforehand because I'm gonna also be very straight with you guys. I was in an unhappy marriage, and oh, this is so pretty. And so I journaled a lot, and then when he passed, it was a sudden death, and it was so startling that I was emotionally attached to my journals through that too. And now that I'm kind of, and I'm not even in focus. Oh, I hate that. I'm so sorry. And now that I'm kind of just emotionally doing better, it's like, I don't know. I just feel like I still will journal. I will always journal. It will always be a source of comfort for me, but it's kind of turning into a different kind of comfort. Okay, I'm going to put this. I'm thinking, that's why. And I'm so calm this morning. And okay, that went over a little bit. No, it didn't. And I've got a lot to do today. I have a sink full of dishes I have to finish because I did Christmas or sugar cookies with my friend's kids yesterday. I'm thinking where I really just like that. I really like that. So we're going to just do this. And like that. I think that's so pretty. And I've got so many dishes to do. It's nuts. And I've been cleaning, I've been cooking, I've been shopping for groceries, and I've been doing dishes for 3 solid days. I made like 6 pies, and and cooked Thanksgiving dinner, and I've been doing the dishes in stages because they just keep producing. I swear I go to bed and they've made themselves more dishes. I don't know if that makes sense. I feel like they're reproducing in the night. Okay, so this is pretty much all I do, and I just do a couple of pages just to like have them there ready to go. So this is just beautiful, just beautiful. And I just keep it really simple and just so that it has something super pretty on the page. And then that's it. So look, on a 2-page journaling kit, I have this whole sheet left. Love that. Gorgeous. And then this is the daisies. Yeah, this is the daisies, which is my favorite flower, and these are just beautiful. So I'm just going to tuck these away. I have like large deco from Pookie Cuties that I keep in there. The book stuff is gorgeous. And again, her sale is still running. I've got some sterling ink that I've been, and I have a code for her too, that I've been hoarding, that I've purchased. And then I have the dolls. I think she's calling them the dolls. And I love these. I'm waiting for my order where the Christmas ones and more designs. So that's from Pookie Cuties. So I'm going to tuck this, and this is just keeping everything contained in one folder. This is from the Coffee Monsters Co. And I just keep that close on my planner cart, and that way, look at how simple. I mean, I'm 12 minutes into the video, and that's all it took me, just a couple of minutes to make my journal a pretty place to be. And I love it. So this is, like I said, journaling is something that I will never, ever give up. But it's kind of changes here and there for me. Sometimes I'm in here every day and I'm journaling tons of pages. And sometimes I just write like super stressed today in big marker and then date it, and I'm good. So I think that's about it, and I want to thank everybody for watching. Now, check out the links below and Raspberyl Designs. So I'm going to post this on Sunday, the November 27th, and at 7 p.m. Central Time, her 50% off sale starts. And then we've got Pookie Cuties still 40% all the way through Cyber Monday. So, all right. I know there's a lot of sales coming at us, but you know, this is the time where if you did want to try a shop or you did want to get a couple things to just pump up your collection, this is the time to grab it where you're not going to pay full price. So I always appreciate not paying full price for myself, for sure. So thanks everybody for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and always enjoy today. Bye everybody. Oh, and did I say, I don't know if there's a code that you need for Raspberyl Designs, so I'm sure the information will be on the website or her Instagram account. So, all right, and always, I know you're like, goodness, are you going to sign off? Yeah, I am. But I always want to encourage everybody to sign up, go to these people's websites and sign up for their email list, because that's how you're going to get the information fastest. And, you know, email doesn't cost you any money. You know, if you're like, oh, no, I'm not interested this time, then just delete it. That's what I do. So, all right. Thanks, everybody. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and always enjoy today. Bye, everybody.